Hello guys, so today we're gonna be playing. Gonna be playing. Why? Cookies. Okay. We're gonna be playing. What? Go 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 go. Maybe. So wait. I need to climb here. No. You just flop. What? Come on. It's too far away. I can't reach that. I finally reached that. Maybe Rick Man D. Very that obvious, I don't know how to say that when I'm very like parkouring. Because that's parkour. How am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to do that jump? Wait. Okay, wait a minute. Before I drown, just say goodbye to me because I'm gonna. No, I'm just kidding. No. How? Yo. The water kills you when you're floating. It's cool. Get yourself then. What? How am I supposed to do this? The water just came to me now. Okay, now this is normal. Okay. Don't. Are you alone my video? Okay, wait. Okay, don't. Wait, my brother's literally. Bam. Mama. Daddy. Really, bro? I'm not. Now you're lying, bro. Why are you saying Arabic? Say English. What do you mean? You just made me lose for nothing. No, I'm just a bad brother. Good. Get the E up. Nah. What do I do? Okay, I'm just gonna go here. Hurry. I'm gonna die. Really, I'm gonna die. No! My brother! No. Just literally don't buy anything and let's just okay. I'm playing this actually by myself, so probably nobody can push me. I haven't played this game for years and like that. Once I know this game, I haven't played this for a year before. I haven't played this for 60 years. And I haven't meted my brother for a month. Or my big brother. Okay, why am I talking about my siblings? Talking about this game. This really, like, why? Okay. I'm coming here to get 1,000,000 subscribers. Other people have 2 million. No, I don't know whose people have 2 million. They don't. Only the Mr. Beast is almost 2 million. There's 100. Wait, it's not working? Yo, let's see, collect them in the world. Nah. I'm gonna do this now. And I hope I do this. Because it's 4 minutes. Hasn't still started yet. But this is no. You're really, bro. Really. You cannot do this like, how can I? Really, I need to win this. Really have to do. Vincent. Okay, guys. Vincent Kid. I mean, I did not say P. Really, my mom just ruined the video. Wow! How? I did not. Literally, I pressed the jump button, and it did not work. Why did it not? I did this. Over. I think I'm gonna quit YouTube. Like, I might quit YouTube if I don't want, or I might quit Roblox instead of YouTube. Like, I'm not gonna play Roblox ever again. Yo, it's green and it's because of my brother, he used me last. Okay, what the freak? What the heck? How many stages are there? Yeah, I'm almost perfect. Well, I don't have to read this. Really? Okay, we have them now, some Halloween. Come on, this fence is distracting me. This fence is distracting me. No! Bro, where do I go? I'm dead. I'm literal dead. Because I only have the screen. And I'm not dying now this time. Oh no. It's rising. It is rising before I die. It wants. How? How? Come on! This is an idiot game! This is an idiot game. Guys, make sure to dislike this game, okay? I hope the owner bans me on YouTube. Do you know if you say that you will get banned on YouTube? I mean, not on YouTube. I hope I get banned from this game. I really don't want to play this. I'm doing this video for you guys. For you guys. This is a video for you guys, okay? And second, I'm never playing God's Will because it's hard. And I'm never playing this game and disliking this game. I'm disliking this game too because it's not letting me. Whoa, yes. Finally! Thank you, I have a gear now. I have a speed coil. Finally. Really, bro. You have to, like... Reach it together.